Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you 3 essential Chrome settings you need to change right now. These tweaks can help you protect your personal data, speed up your phone, and save mobile data. Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive right in. Firstly, open the Chrome app on your phone. Tap the 3 dots in the upper right corner, then go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Now tap on Safe Browsing. By default, it's set to Standard Protection, but we're changing that to Enhanced Protection. Why? Enhanced Protection warns you about dangerous websites, suspicious downloads, and even helps prevent data theft or malware. It's a must-have for your security. Now go back twice, scroll up and tap on Third-Party Cookies. Choose Block Third-Party Cookies. What does this do? It stops websites from tracking your activity across the web for ads and profiling. While some minor ad features might not work, your privacy is now much more secure. Finally, let's reduce background activity. Go back, scroll down in the Chrome settings and tap on Preload Pages. By default, Chrome tries to predict which page you'll visit next and loads it in the background. This eats up your data and slows down your phone. So all you have to do is select No Preloading to turn it off. And that's it. With just a few steps, your Chrome browser is now more private, faster, less data hungry. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any future tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.